take your index finger, point it up high. Now I want you to move it in a circle, and I want you to go clockwise. Clockwise, the way of the clock. And now keep that motion and lower your arm. Just lower your arm. Which way is your finger moving now? Anti-clockwise. We do it again. Raise your arm. Make sure your index finger is going clockwise. Clockwise. Keep that motion. Keep that motion. Just lower your arm. Which way is your finger going? What happened? Perspective. Nothing changed except for your perspective. What have I shared with you so far? That you can only have one thought at a time. Left without a leash, the thought is negative. But you can choose to force a positive thought. That's a change in perspective. What's another change in perspective that I've shared with you already? Putting yourself in the shoes of your favorite teacher. Realizing that even though it may be your presentation or your speech, the real truth is simple. It has nothing to do with you. The reference and focus should be the audience. Instead of worrying about how you will look or wondering whether you'll be impressive, your focus from now is to be to your audience what your favorite teacher was to you. What's another change in perspective that I've shared with you? The nerves you have, instead of thinking that you're feeling sick, you can relabel them and think of them as butterflies before a date. And what about going back to being a kid again, playing video games? That's a change in perspective as well. Here's one more change in perspective. The fact that every time you have an opportunity to present, speak, or communicate, it's exactly just that, an opportunity, a chance, an opportunity to sell, an opportunity to inform, an opportunity to influence, an opportunity to persuade, an opportunity to get your team to buy into your vision, an opportunity to change your board's decision in terms of the company's direction, an opportunity to be seen as the obvious candidate to get the job, an opportunity to stand out and shine. Oh, I forgot. Remember the attitude of gratefulness? That's a change in perspective. The fact that you're blessed to have an opportunity to pitch. You're blessed to have an opportunity to present. You're blessed to have an opportunity to influence. You're blessed to have an opportunity to inspire. You need to see it this way. You need to choose to see it this way. Because all great communicators choose to see it this way. That's the perspective they choose to see. Clockwise or anti-clockwise, your choice.